Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps.
Today I'm going to show you how to work Foundation Single Crochet. Start as though you're going to make just one single crochet. So make your slip knot, put it on your hook, and then chain 2. One of the chains, this first one that we made, is going to be the base of our first single crochet, and this one is going to be just the turning chain that gets us up to the height. So now we're going to single crochet into the back bump of that second chain from our hook. Okay, so we've made one single crochet. Now we're going to extend this with Foundation Single Crochet. So insert your hook in the same place where you made that stitch. So you're going into the same chain, the same foundation chain as the stitch you just made. And with Foundation Single Crochet, we're going to make the foundation chain and the stitch at the same time. So go ahead and pull up a loop. But before we do another single crochet, we're going to yarn over and pull through 1 to make a foundation chain. Now, do you see how it looks like we've pulled up a loop in this foundation chain to start our single crochet? So we're going to finish our single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2. And now we have our first foundation single crochet. So this is our first stitch, and then this is our second stitch, which is a foundation single crochet. And we're going to repeat that for as many stitches as we need. Let's do another one. Insert your hook in the same place where that stitch came out of. Okay. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 to make your foundation chain, and yarn over and pull through 2 to make your stitch. Let's do it again a little quicker. Insert in the same place as that first stitch, or that last stitch you made, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 to make your chain, and yarn over and pull through 2 to make your stitch. And you may notice that I'm holding it a little sideways when I do it. I just find that easier. You can definitely hold it this way if that works for you as well. Let's do one more. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. And there's your foundation single crochet. Now I like to work without slip knots. In this case, the slip knot really does help give you something to hold on to when you're first starting, but you can remove it later. So you can just carefully undo this slip knot and pull that tight, and then you have a nice pretty end with no knot. Now, if you want to join foundation single crochet in the round, you join it the same way as though you were joining a piece of work that you'd been working on for a while, right? You're going to fold it over. Make sure it's not twisted, find your first stitch and just slip stitch into that first stitch. But notice that leaves a gap at the bottom. No big deal, we're going to close that gap when we're all done with our work, or now, whatever's better for you. We're going to flip it over and we're going to take this yarn through the bottom of this stitch and then back around where it came from. And that will secure, pull it a little snug, and that secures the bottom of the round so it doesn't look like you had a gap at all. Foundation single crochets are also great for adding stitches to a row. So here I've worked another row and now I want to add some more stitches. Again, I stick my hook where this last stitch came out of, pull up a loop, do the chain first, so yarn over and pull through 1, and then do the stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. And I can keep doing that for as many stitches as I need to add. So this is great for adding like armholes on a sweater and things like that. And that's how you work Foundation Single Crochet. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.